Hi and welcome back to the MnREIA. In today's property walkthrough tip, we're going over a quick tip on how to get rid of mildew smell in older homes. When you purchase a home that has been left alone for a few months, it can build up a mildew smell from the moisture in the air settling in the carpet and the walls, especially in the basement. This happens because there's no airflow or anything going through the property. Mike has a great tip and tool to help get rid of the smell, and he uses it in every single one of his properties. Let's hand it over to Mike and see what he has to say.
There's one investment you're going to have a couple of is dehumidifiers. Because these older houses, when they've been sealed up and closed for the winter or even during the summer here, they get a smell to the houses. Right. And part of that smell is because the house has been boxed up and nobody's opening and closing doors or windows, and you don't have fans and stuff running, you don't have people living here, so it builds up a smell into the houses. Right. And one of the ways to get rid of that smell, because it'll build into the carpeting, it'll build into everything in the house. Get a dehumidifier in here and just let it run. Turn it on and let it run. You're going to find that there's more water and moisture in the atmosphere that you think about. And that moisture, that smell and stuff is going to get picked up by the air, the humidity, and the dehumidifier will suck it out and then flush it down the drain. So they work wonders on smell. So bad smell, dehumidifiers are the wonder cure. Especially when we're rehabbing the properties, they're going to be running, and they might be running for 2 months straight. Right? And just let them run. Right.
As you guys can see, having a dehumidifier can pull the moisture out of the air, the walls, even the carpet. This is a great way to get rid of that smell. It's cheap, easy, and effective, and mostly passive. You just have to turn it on and let it sit, and the smell will go away on its own because the dehumidifier is doing its job. If you guys thought this tip was helpful, please comment down below and share with someone who may need this information, and I will see you guys next week.